What's up guys, another sunny day at Southsea and this is my bike check. We've done this before, never really that keen on it, but definitely want to show you this bike. Right now I'm brakeless and running this gold setup, and I keep saying too many times, that sucks. Total BMX Voltron frame with this custom paint job from a guy called Carl I know, who's got his paint company called Nice Touch, and he paints all my bikes and everything for me. So he's just done this like crazy sparkly paint job, which is I don't know, it's pretty cool. I like it. It's awesome. It's definitely different. So I'm completely psyched on the paint job at the moment. You all know this frame. You've seen it in other bike checks. You know, basic stuff again. 75 head tube angle, 75.2 head tube angle, 20.5 top tube. And the back end's 13.5 when it's centered, so you can have it a little bit shorter or a little bit longer. You've all seen the seats are out. This is the Union Jack seat, the black jack. It's embroidered though, this one's been done with all stitching down the seat and stuff. Like, absolutely sick seat. Like I love the fact that, you know, it's got the English, the British flag on there. It's awesome. Total BMX rock and roll chainring. There is a Union Jack stamped in there. There is, just to confirm that, Colborne. There is a Union Jack in there. It's awesome. Got Total BMX World Peace bars. You know the drill. I rock all the Total stuff. The things that are different, which aren't Total on my bike, are the Colony pedals. We love the Colony pedals. Colony, massive shout out. Colony pedals rock. Like, best pedals I've ever ridden, I think. Loving them. If anyone does want to send me any other pedals to try them out, I'll take them. The tyres are fit tyres. Been running them for ages now. Like, back one's completely bowled already. Like, I mean, I just can't bother to change it. They're still working, so it's awesome. Front wheel setup. Shout out to Stu at 70s. Like, sent me the Primo stuff. Like, totally sick. Like, all of it, you know, runs amazing. Yeah, it's got little hub guards built in there. It's awesome. This seat, actually, again, I just want to mention this. This is going to be out soon. We're already selling the blackjack seat, but this is the blackjack embroidered, and it's actually fixed to a post, so it's actually a lot lighter than the other seat. So, and it's, you know, I've had it for quite a few months now, and it's solid. So, but yeah, banging. All good. Again, Stu at 70s sent me these Primo cranks. Totally love Primo cranks. You'll probably see, like, if you've ever seen any old bike footage, I've always pretty much had Primo cranks on my bike, so they're rocking. They're good. We've got a fit stem on here. Just like it. Run two of them. I had one for about a year, and then it started having a little crack appear in it, and I'm back on another one because I like it so much. So yeah, perfect. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. That kind of sums up my bike check. I'm brakeless at the moment until I get my new bike. I snapped the gyro tab off in the frame. So yeah, pretty much rounds everything up. Like, it's a bike, it rides. Just want to say thanks to Stuart 70s, obviously my partner in crime, Ronnie Remo with Total BMX. Thanks to Carl at Nice Touch as well for hooking us up with some sick paint jobs, you know, like, and yeah, relentless for just helping us out all the time. And I want to thank Woodward West as well for putting me up all summer. Like, you guys are awesome. So, but yeah, this is my bike check. Thanks to Jack Extreme Productions for producing my video shenanigans, and hope you enjoyed it. Check out a few clips of me riding brakeless. Ooh. How was that?